Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is windy where I live, and we were driving home from church and we saw an open field with some kids flying kites. And I said, it's been a long time since I have flown a kite. That's a lot of fun. I may have to get out there and fly a kite later today. But I wanted to talk to you about a few things. I know that a lot of you that watch me are interested in high volatility plays, but safer ways to do them. So I found a way, the safest way that I have found for you to trade the highly volatile Mstr stocks. I'm going to share that with you because I think this may be great for those of you that want to start to better understand options, but you're not exactly sure. You don't want to put that much money on the line. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, but I wanted to wrap up how we did on the $25,000 Mstr challenge. So this stock has been the one that I have found that offers the most premium when you are selling options. So the challenge was simply this: let's take $25,000 in cash and see how much we can generate in premium from selling options. So the plays were pretty simple, especially at the beginning, because it was trading at around the $275 level. So 25,000 would be one contract. But what ended up happening, because the stock kept running away from us and getting further away from our strike prices, we kept rolling up every week. And so we rolled it up and out 3 weeks in a row, and that provided some really good premium. But the very last week, the price had been so high that it was going to take a lot more than 25,000 to put on the trade. And so because of that, we did a credit spread. We did a put credit spread on the particular stock. We only did one of them, and thankfully so, because our strike price started to be tested. And although it would have ended just fine, 100% profit, I personally didn't want to take that risk with a credit spread, so I shut the spread down, and that caused a loss. So when you put together the 3 weeks of having winning trades coupled with the 1 week of a loss on the credit spread, so on that initial $25,000, we ended up generating enough premium for $2,153. So it ended up at about an 8.49% return for the month, which is wonderful by most standards. And so I wanted to share that with you and just wrap up how that challenge went. Got a lot of new members that joined us in the challenge, and they're now in the Discord, and they're making great money too. So glad to have all of them with me. Now, it's been a busy week because I also launched my new trader network, and that is wonderful for those individuals that may not be dealing with quite as much capital as some of the traders that are trading every week for selling options, and they may want to just be able to learn a little bit more about the X's and O's. So that opportunity is called the New Trader Network. It comes with a self-paced course, and there is a Discord with that where you'll receive some attention from a coach, and he will be helping you learn all the basics. And then when you're ready and your account is as such, you can feel free to join us in the inner circle where you get all my trade setups and all the weekly calls. And so that's a great way to stair step into option selling. It's the New Trader Network, and that will be in the link below. So now I want to take you to my computer. I want to show you the potential trade setups that I have found, and you can consider doing these this week. To look at this potential trade, let me take you to the option chain, and we are going to look at where the price ended last week as kind of what's frozen in time, and this is going to show you what you can get for these various options. Now, keep in mind, all of this will change. It looks like Bitcoin is pulling back this weekend, so when we open up on Monday, the chain will more than likely be offering more for the strike prices, so you can probably get even more than what I'm showing you here. But for the sake of showing you the trades, we're going to look at what we have going. So this is ticker symbol MSTR, and it expires at the end of the week, 11/29. Now remember, this is a short week for trading, so less volume, and that could be good or bad depending on if the sentiment is positive or negative. But I've talked to you about deltas before, and on a trade like this, You want to be super conservative on your deltas. And so let's look at something maybe around the 0.40. So here we go. 250 strike is a real good place to land. This is showing you that there's only a 4% chance that by the end of the week, we are going to be at 250 or lower. So that increases the odds in your favor, but it's still paying great premium. So let's take a look at this. If you were to sell the $250 strike, you would receive $2.92 a share. So for that, you'd have to put up $25,000 and you receive almost $300 for the trade. If it expires worthless at the end of the week, then you keep all the premium and your money is released to you. Now, if it does dip to this amount or lower, you will be put the shares unless you buy back the contract, which would be super expensive. And so you'd have to be comfortable owning the shares at this level. Now, this is quite a bit away from where we are now. So if you were to get assigned at this level, then you could probably do a lot with it in the coming weeks on a bounce up. The true risk is if the stock goes to zero by the end of the week, then you would lose your entire investment. So that's how you look at this. So let's look at our return on capital. So the way to do this, you would look at the amount of premium received, in this case, $292, and you would divide it by what was required to put on the trade. So in this case, it'd be $25,000. Well, that equals 0.0116. You multiply that by 100, and that equals 1.16% for this particular week. If you annualize that return, that's a 60% return annualized, which is really great because if you are just investing in the S&P 500 and you just leave it and forget it, you're looking at anywhere between 8 and 12% annually. So this active trading, selling puts at a conservative strike price per week could get you 60%. So now let's go look at the leveraged play, Mstx, and see how much we could get. Here we are. This is Mstx. It's the 2-time leveraged play. And being conservative on a leveraged play is definitely the way to go because MSTR is already volatile. And when you add leverage to that, then you have a super volatile situation. So if we go to our option chain, same date, they just added weekly options. So that is a benefit to all those that like to trade these leveraged ETFs. The interest was such that there was enough to offer the weekly. So let's go and look at the lowest possible strike price we can find. This is $55. So this is the lowest one we have right now. And it's around the same delta as the bigger brother, Mstr, 0.42. And if you look at what it's paying $1.35. So let's look at the return on this one. If you take $135 and divide it by what it would take to put on this trade, so that'd be $5,500, that would equal 0.0245. If you multiply that by 100, that is a return of 2.45% weekly. Now annualize that by multiplying it by 52, and now you're looking at 127% return annualized if you sell weekly options on Mstx. Now keep in mind that once the price of Mstx moves up, it will take more capital to put on the trade if you're going to the lowest possible strike. And if Mstx moves down closer to your strike price after you sell the put, it will appear that you're losing because basically it's telling you had you waited until Mstx had pulled back that you would be receiving more premium than just this $1.35. So just so you understand the different nuances of how it works. But basically, if you put on this trade, you want Mstx to end the week. Even if it's $1 above 55, you get to keep 100% of the premium. The next week, you rinse and repeat. I hope you found that helpful and you're ready to trade this week. If you are a trader, you look forward to Mondays just like I do. Remember, if you are with Trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind. And if you want to see me trading in Mstr live, you want to watch that video right here.